for Jeremy Miller is our leader. He's from Upset Prevention and Recovery and Training of the Year. Are you there, Jeremy?
G'day Angela, Freedom, we're up to the north, we're running in now, let's have a bit of fun.
Perfect. So, can you see us yet? Can you see us? Can you see the crowd? Yes?
Absolutely, looks like lots of people down there on the crowd stage, an awesome day for an air show. Let's get some smoke happening, so Freedom, smoke on, go!
We'll talk to you a little bit later on, Jeremy. I know you've got a lot going on up there, but is there anything last thing you want to say to the Gold Coast?
Guys, enjoy the show. We're an Australian-based team. Let me introduce you to the team. Freedom Jacket. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14.
Sounds like
14 on the beach. That would be our display coach, Trent. He's the most crucial member of this team. He keeps an eye on us, make sure it's safe. So guys, we're going to show you what Posse pilots can do. This is the Freedom Formation.
Freedom Formation is go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a little listen to the RVs and the yak as they pass by for their first pass. So I believe we have number 2, David Raw, number 3, Ollie Gurney, number 4, Brayden Rowley, number 5, Eddie C, our favourite Eddie, number 6, Kevin White, number 7, Don Harvey, number 8, Mal Kane, number 9, Glenn Bridgeland, number 10, Peter Grogan, number 11, Martin Russell, number 12, Mark Hughes, and number 13, James Martin, who you will see shortly about to pitch out for a solo display. Now, James is a local boy. James is a local boy. He's from Brisbane. There he goes, pitching out the Freedom Formation. He's going to give us a bit of a solo act in the middle. James is the youngest. He may well be the youngest performer here at the air show. So for a local kid, we've got a local band. This is GSS Rays, a punk rock band from Brisbane. As he goes over the top, I'll tell you a little bit more about James. He grew up on the Gold Coast. He trained at Heckfield, which is an airfield just up the coast here. Anybody that flies there might actually run into James. Up and over the top, and we have the Barry coming from the left. It's going to be hard to keep up here, ladies and gentlemen. You won't know where to use your phone. James flies the Rocket. It is an RV, but it has a Subaru WRX engine, which is actually converted to aircraft. 300 heaps of horsepower, and he comes out about half Cuban to set up for his next manoeuvre. His engine is actually watercooled, so it gets radiators, just like a car. But the radiators are under the wings. And that propeller has been converted so that it can basically keep not up but down with that big, skunky WRX engine. As James heads off into the north of the arena there, as he's pitching up, you can see the Balbo coming in again from the right-hand side. So take your pick, ladies and gentlemen, left or right. Rolling out. They'll be coming through the middle and in the centre box shortly. You'll notice that they're now in a formation of 8. We have another couple of the RVs out the back there, setting up for something else. James is finishing off in the middle. That formation, ladies and gentlemen, is called a double box. 2 squares. All formations are made up of basically 2 elements. 3, they're the line astern, which is off to the left line, or off to the right, left echelon, right echelon, or they are line astern trailing. So James is finishing up his solo act there. He's going to be racing to catch up with the Balbo. And we have what's called an acrobatic formation coming in. This acrobatic formation is a 4-ship aircraft. A bit like the floating terms, we call them ships. So we have Goy as lead, Peter, better known as Con, and Kevin and Eddie. And they will be pitching down shortly and then pitching up into a loop. You see them in the centre box at the moment as they go up and over the top. guys because these guys have a different age set. So the gentleman at the rear is doing a lot of the hard work. He's keeping up that group. He's got the largest they're going to do. We've got the formation elbow coming through in the middle, looking glorious again. What's called a diamond 9. Keep your eyes on those boys or keep your eyes on the boys to the left. It's your choice. We've got another 2 that will be coming in a little while to do a synchro act. It's everything here for you today. Boys and girls, you can be a pilot too. These guys are just like you and me, man. These boys are just like you and me. We're passionate about aviation. These guys have been practicing for 9 months. They know what they're doing. They've done nothing but practice this routine for 9 months. The Trent behind me here, give him a big wave in the commentary box if you see him, or a big smile. He's been coaching them every step of the way as they kick up over the top again. A glorious barrel roll. And what we've got is we've got 160 horsepower in some of these aircraft in the middle. One has, 200 horsepower, and the one with the least horsepower is 160, and that's Kevin. Kevin White is the gentleman that at the age of 60 has not been in a roller coaster. He's not been upside down in an aeroplane, and he went off that, and he got his formation endorsement and his formation aerobatic endorsement. How much better than that can you get? As the boys in the acro formation at the top there, we've got the eagle formation coming out across from our right. The boys in the top in the acrobatic formation are now doing what is called chasing each other. This is the part where they just get to have some good old-fashioned fun. They've done all their hard work in the formation, and what they're doing now is they're just chasing each other, keeping everybody, it's getting smoked up, aren't we? They're just keeping their leader inside and just chasing them around. This is the part they like the best. As our Valvo peels off to the right, and in the left-hand side of your vision as it peels off to the right now, we've also got a synchro formation about to come in. These the 4 guys here, Kevin, Eddie, Glenn and Pete, have been practicing relentlessly for this. These guys built their own aircraft, half them built their own aircraft, and we've got just the recreational vehicle is the RV is a recreational vehicle because it is just super fun to fly. These guys tell me that once you have a ride in one of these aircraft, you will want one. Just watch the acrobatic formation as it does its final manoeuvres here. I'll tell you when to look in the centre box, ladies and gentlemen, for the synchro act coming in. Jeremy Mueller is the leader in Valvo, which you see approaching us on the left-hand side. He's actually the boss of a company called Upset Prevention and the Culling Train, and he has trained every single one of these guys. When he sees his gap and he's in the formation, he's looking back in the little mirrors, you cannot wipe the grin off his face. So what we have, ladies and gentlemen, coming in at us, the heart, the wing over, in the centre box, we have Mal and Mark. And let's see if they can join it up beautifully in the middle for the Gold Coast. There we go. And now, what those 2 that just did the synchro are going to do is they're going to come out, they're going to go to the south of the box, the north of the box, and they're going to do a massive opposing pass in the middle at 50 feet with a closing speed of up to 650 kilometres per hour. So if you are in the middle of that box, what I need you to do is get your cameras ready for that opposing pass. Boys at the top there are still having a heap of fun. They're filling in a bit of time there, so they've got to race in and join up to Valvo in a minute once they've done this turn. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Get those cameras ready, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen. Ready? Woo! I think that deserves a big round of applause because they did actually hit that timing extremely well. So now what we have a little bit of time while they all join up again to do their final pass. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'd like you to do, I'm going to try this and see if you are the the best crowd at an air show that I've ever had yet. Formation team will be tracking towards the south. We're going to try and get a Mexican wave happening from the right to left. Let's see if we can start to set it up. I'll be talking to Jeremy in a moment. And what we're going to be doing. Well, Jeremy, I think that you did a magnificent job. The boys look spectacular. What we are setting up now is to try and do that Mexican wave as we've spoken to you. So did you have anything to say about the boys? You there, Jeremy?
Hey, Ash, you there?
Hey, how do you think you went?
Right.
Did you see that? That was the best thing ever. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to try and set up this Mexican wave on the right-hand side. So, Jeremy, you're allowed to
That. I'm bringing the boys down to one final pass. Let's see if we can get a bit of a Mexican wave happening as we fly along the beach. So, freedom, smoke on, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, what I want you to do from right to left, from the south to north, is wave like you did for the Matildas the other night, because these are your local Aussies. Standing up there on the right-hand side, come on, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big wave. Woo! That's it. Keep it going, ladies and gentlemen. Up to the left, boys and girls. Up here. Wave it on, boys. You know how you do it at the cricket?
Okay, Andrew, we've still got us, that's us done for the day, so freedom, check out.
We do.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.